like the Rubik's Cube. There we go. Yeah, show a clip of you like playing.
Alright. Alright, we're getting Izzy's live reaction.
Right. So mostly.
Alright.
How I turn it. Alright.
Now, this one.
What the? Wait, let's see if it. What the heck? It can even. Wait a minute. So like, I'm like, right? It just. Oh my gosh! This.
Bro,
Wait a minute.
it's so... You got your fingerprints all over it already.
Really?
Are you ready, bro? I'm gonna get a 2-second solve. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Oop, oh no, I messed up. It's alright, we're good. Back up a little bit. Let's go! I'm just kidding.